Hello everyone, my name is Sophia Buturoaga, account executive here at CIPO Software. Thanks for joining me today. In this quick tutorial, we'll dive into the crucial aspect of document management. Efficient document control is essential for smooth operations and effective collaboration. Now let's explore how CIPO makes this process effortless. To begin, we'll navigate our way to a document module on this contract and access an existing RFI that's in review status. First up, I want to note that there is a version control feature. With CIPO, tracking changes to your documents is very simple. You don't have to guess which file is the latest. Simply upload your document and CIPO will handle the rest. You can easily view previous versions, restore older files if needed, and keep your team updated on any changes. We'll go ahead and review a previous version. In the activity log here, you can see any changes that your collaborators have made or any updates you need to know about. For example, John here has created a revision, and beforehand he has moved the review of the RFI into an approval state. Next is document sharing. Collaboration is key in project management, and CIPO allows you to share documents seamlessly. Set permissions to ensure only the right people have access to sensitive information. Share critical plans, contracts, and reports without the hassle of endless email chains or lost files. For example, we'll navigate our way to a contract. Go ahead and hit Documents and access a daily report. And for sharing options, we can hit the ellipses here. You can download, email, or print. Now let's talk about collaboration. Our software lets you comment directly on documents, making discussions and feedback collection much easier. Everyone stays aligned, reducing miscommunication and speeding up project timelines. Comments will be accessed here below in the activity log. Also, as highlighted in other software feature videos, CIPO integrates effortlessly with Microsoft tools, letting you manage documents directly within Microsoft 365. You can easily use familiar applications like Word and Excel to import and export files. Now imagine having all your documents organized and accessible from any device, and now that's a game changer. To import any of your information and documents, you're able to access right here and see options of how you can import that information. In summary, CIPO's document management feature empowers you to take control of your project documentation through version control, easy sharing, and real-time collaboration. Plus, our Microsoft integration enhances your document management capabilities even further. Thanks for joining us for this episode of CIPO's Software Features. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next highlight. If you have any questions or need assistance, drop a comment below or reach out to our support team at contact@cipocloud.com. See you next week for more CIPO software features.